The link to this web page, it will be under the video. A little bit scrolling down, and when you see a heading Create Windows 11 installation media, this is what we need. Click on Download Now. And you see I am downloading an app, Media Creation Tool Windows 11.exe. After installing Media Creation Tool, open File Explorer app, and we need a folder Downloads. And you see Media Creation Tool Windows 11 in Downloads folder, because Downloads folder, this is a default folder in which you will install anything from browser. Open it. Today Media Creation Tool, this is the best app. First, it is very easy to create a bootable USB flash drive, and second, you don't need to be an advanced PC user. So, you see applicable notice and license terms. Just scrolling down and click Accept. You see a heading, select language and edition. If you want to change these options, need to uncheck this field. And now I can change, for example, language to English United Kingdom and edition Windows 11. You see, this is only Windows 11, not Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro, because this is a multi-edition. This disk image already have a Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro. While installing Windows on your PC or laptop, you will choose Windows 11 Home on Pro or another versions of Windows, and we are on the right way. Click Next. Choose which media to use. As a default, you see a check option USB flash drive. If I click Next, I will create a USB flash drive from my USB. But if you want to download ISO file, you need to change this option to second option and click Next. I need to create a USB flash drive. Click on the first option. Now I will connect my USB flash drive to laptop or PC or laptop. This will be a third opinion why Media Creation Tool is the best app to create a bootable USB flash drive. You see some files on my USB, and I don't need to format my USB flash drive because Media Creation Tool will do it for me. So I just do nothing in my USB, just close this window, click on button Next. Select a USB flash drive, and you see the app seeing my USB flash drive, and I don't need to do nothing, just click Next. Now I need to wait some time while app create a bootable USB flash drive, and that's all. If I open this PC folder, you see my USB flash drive, and this is a Windows 11 disk image on it. Put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.